Austin's police chief stopped by Austin's daily newspaper on Tuesday to talk about something that's troubling him. Specifically, Arizona's new law giving state and local authorities their new broad power in enforcing immigration law. It's a bad idea, Art Acedvedao says.
It's going to have some real serious unintended consequences for law enforcement, not just in Arizona, but it's really going to impact the rest of the nation, because these headlines are creating an atmosphere of mistrust, an atmosphere of fear. I think it's going to push immigrants back into the shadows of the darkness of their illegal status, and the unintended consequences are that we in law enforcement are going to lose the community trust of 10 to 15 million residents that are within our borders, that other than being here as economic immigrants illegally, they're otherwise law-abiding citizens. And they're the nannies, the cooks, the laborers, the gardeners, and the unintended consequence is that next time we have a child that's kidnapped at the corner bus stop waiting for the school bus, one piece of information that could get that license plate, that vehicle description, that suspect description, and the early warning to law enforcement that abduction occurred might be from that nanny, might be from that gardener.
What's the best way to enforce the immigration laws?
Well, I think it starts at the border. We believe that immigration enforcement starts at the border by securing the border. Most of the major city police chiefs feel that it also entails a robust workforce, a workplace enforcement program. It also entails having a realistic guest worker program.
There are a lot of people who think illegal immigrants commit a disproportionate amount of the crimes in the community. Is that true?
That is absolutely a fallacy. Do not commit criminal offenses at any greater rate than legal residents or citizens. So for people to think that, it's just a fallacy. It's an urban legend. As a matter of fact, I would argue that many of the folks that are here illegally try to fly very low under the radar in terms of crime, because they know that if once they get arrested for a criminal offense, that all bets are off. And in most cities, they face deportation in addition to the accountability for the crime they've committed.
One of the big concerns about SB 1070 in Arizona is that law enforcement officials would use it to improperly racially profile and harass people. Is that what cops would do?
The problem with SB 1070 is that not only authorizes, in essence, racial profiling, which we have been teaching our officers from day one when they come through the academy, that we do not judge people on the basis of the color of their skin, that we do not profile people on the basis of the color of their skins. It doesn't just authorize racial profiling. In essence, it mandates it.